Greetings from Flaten Nature Reserve and this wild nudist beach over here in the middle of the forest in the Flaten Nature Reserve. It is 9th of August 2024. We have a rather warm day with 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is actually the same temperature in Lake Flaten, 22 degrees. And I have cycled all the way here. It took me less than 9 kilometers from my home with my gravel bike Scott, that you will see in a bit. Yep, this one looks nice indeed. And I have been actually here on this beach spot last year, but it feels like also a bit like new to me because I think it's been a while since then. We see also Stora Flattenbadet on the other side of the lake, as well as some beautiful rocks as well. Those particular over there I haven't visited. I see a very nice beach spot over there, and yeah, this means that it is time for another beach adventure with Chris. Of course, this is beach number 116, I believe, on my Sweden beach adventures this year. And a wonderful Friday. Also, I am heading to another country tomorrow over the weekend to explore some more beaches outside of Sweden. So stay tuned for those beach adventures as well. Quite peaceful over here in this beautiful nature. I see some people behind that forest as well that are enjoying this beautiful day. And basically on this beach you can be naked also, because it is obviously no one here, so it's in the wild nature and unofficial nudist beach as well. Right, so let's then get going and enjoy, as this part over here is actually we are facing now north, as the sun is coming from that direction, and it is a bit hidden from some of the trees, but it's definitely a good day despite being a bit cloudy. So the entrance here is not the best. As you can see, it is a bit slide in. I do remember now when I was here last year. So potentially on the other side it's a bit better, but I think it's a bit hard to get to that around the lake. I don't see anyone on that side. From here it's just maybe 300 meters from the main road, but through the forest you need to pass. What else? Yes, Flaten I have obviously shown you several times before. Beautiful natural lake. I was actually on the other side at the beginning of this week on Tuesday, and now the sun is having another comeback. So let's then slide in here in this in this slimy slide here in the lake that is super clean and 22 degrees Celsius indeed. Right, then let's get going and take a swim at Lake Flaten together. Let's go! Amazing. Ah, beautiful. What a beautiful nature all around. I just can't believe I live so close to this beautiful nature. Actually, this is just one of the lakes I live close to. There are so many lakes nearby to my home that you can basically visit new lake every day almost. Stockholm is spectacular indeed, with the most beautiful nature indeed. So yes, let's wrap up as I plan to enjoy a bit more my swim here at this wild nudist beach spot in Flaten Lake, and also Flaten Nature Reserve. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.